There's a few different ways Google Maps keeps a history of the places you've gone to or searched for, and I'll show you how to clear and delete all of it. First off, if I tap the search bar, Google Maps will show a list of recent searches I've made, and sometimes you don't want that stuff to be suggested every time you're searching for something. To clear these, you can long press any suggested address and then choose Delete. I don't think there's a way to one-click mass delete all of them, but if there is, let me know in the comments. Alright, once I delete all those, I'm not getting any suggestions based on recent searches, so we're good on that. If you want to go a step further and delete all Maps activity, we can do that too. First, you'll tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and then scroll down to Settings. From the Settings page, we're going to go to Location and Privacy, and once you're there, you'll scroll down to Maps History. This opens your dedicated Google Activity page, and there's a lot we can do here. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see your Google Maps activity with a little X button next to each entry. If you want to just delete individual records from your history, go ahead and tap that X on each action you want to clear. Above all those, you'll also see a little drop-down menu that allows you to mass delete records for today, all time, or for a specific time span. If you go all the way on the top, you can also choose the preferences for saving your activity and what gets saved in the first place. You could simply turn all web and app activity off, or turn it off and delete all past activity. If you choose to keep web activity on, you can choose the interval when old records are deleted. I believe by default they get deleted after 3 months, but you can change that to something shorter if needed. So, that's how you can delete and clear your Google Maps activity. Click that like button if this helped, share with someone who needs to clear theirs, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.